Hey, what's going on, fam? Kurt with Caribeque back at you with another 5 ingredient or less recipe. This recipe is going to be for all of us that are home gating this year and can't make it out to football games. And I also want to give a shout out to Al Dente Diva T for this copycat on a McDonald's snack wrap. It's going to be the Caribeque Buffalo Chicken Snack Wrap. Come with me, let's go. So the 5 main ingredients we're going to need for these buffalo chicken snack wraps is going to be chicken tenderloins marinated in your favorite buffalo sauce and a little bit of Calypso kick. We're going to be using some shredded cheese. We're going to be using some lettuce, and we're going to be using some 6-inch tortillas, which we're going to grill on the grill. Next steps, pretty easy. Come with me, let's go outside to the grill. So to start off, we have the right 2 burners on this grill on medium high, and we have the far left burner on low. This side is going to grill our tortillas. This side is going to grill our chicken. Let's go on to the next step. Let's go ahead and get our grilled chicken tenderloins on for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You guys should smell this. It smells incredible. Gonna give it about 2-3 minutes, then we're gonna flip it over. It's been about 2.5 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip these over. I'm gonna continue flipping them, and then we're gonna throw our tortillas on next. So we went ahead and flipped these tenderloins. We're gonna go ahead and brush the top layer with a little extra kick with the buffalo barbecue sauce. Just a light layer on top. You don't wanna cover it. You don't wanna make it too saucy because these are going into the wraps to make our snack wraps. This is also a good time that you wanna go ahead and throw your tortillas on and get them nice and warm with some grill marks to make your snack wraps. Now it's time to assemble. On the bottom layer, we added some lettuce, and then we added some shredded cheese on top. Never mind my dog playing with his squeaky toy right now. We're then gonna add a chicken tender that's grilled to each one of our wraps. If you're having a little bit spicier wrap, you wanna go ahead and take a toothpick and a red marker and go ahead and just put that on top there so people can know that it's spicy. You're gonna fold it over and then stick the toothpick in. And you're gonna repeat for each one of these buffalo chicken wraps. Super easy, super quick, and you could probably knock out about 20 of these in 10 minutes. I'm gonna come back with the final plating. Stand by. And there you have it, the finished product. McDonald's copycat chicken snack wrap, but mine's a buffalo chicken snack wrap. Shout out to Al Dente Diva once again for giving me the base for this idea. Like and comment below, let us know what you think. Kurt with Caribeque.